How to fix Clash of Clans unable to attack village, try again later. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Clash of Clans unable to attack village, try again later error. This message is very common and in most cases it is not a problem with your phone or internet. It usually happens because of game matchmaking or temporary server sync issues. Just follow these steps carefully. Sometimes the base you found gets attacked by another player at the same moment. When that happens, the base goes under shield or guard and the games block your attack. Simply press return home and search for another opponent again. If the error appears twice in a row, stop searching for a moment. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds and then try matchmaking again. This allows the game to refresh available bases. If it keeps happening repeatedly for several minutes, the servers are unstable. This usually occurs during high traffic hours, during clan war league, during maintenance or mini server hiccups. In most cases, stop trying for a while and come back later. Wait around 30 minutes to 1 hour and the issue will resolve automatically. So remember, this error is temporary and not caused by your device. Once the server stabilizes, you will be able to attack normally again. If this video helped you, do like and subscribe. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section.